Add emergency lighting to virtually any medium-based lamp or fixture with the LED A21 emergency bulb from PLT, available exclusively at 1000 bulbs. This versatile lamp installs in seconds without the need to rewire or make changes to your fixture. Simply screw it into a standard household medium E26 socket. This emergency bulb also comes with a screw-on hook attachment, turning it into a portable lamp that can be hung overhead or taken on the go. When operating normally, this 3000 Kelvin bulb provides 800 lumens. When operating in emergency mode, the lamp has 3 brightness levels that can be adjusted using the red toggle switch on the side of the bulb or with the push button on the bottom of the hook attachment. The built-in battery will operate for 3 to 12 hours depending on the brightness level and takes 11 hours to fully recharge. To switch between brightness levels, toggle either of the switches within 5 seconds. Toggle 1 for full brightness, twice for medium brightness, and 3 times for low brightness. UL rated for use in damp locations, this emergency LED A21 lamp is perfect for both residential and commercial applications. Use them in table lamps, floor lamps, and many other fixtures with a standard medium E26 base. This bulb can also be used on job sites, camping trips, and much more. For these and other emergency lighting products, call 855-948-5079 to speak with one of our US-based lighting experts or visit 1000bulbs.com.